Every trader starts with the same dream: freedom, consistency, and the confidence to pull profits from the market. But for most traders, that dream feels like it keeps pulling away. The more they try, the harder it gets. They switch strategies, tweak indicators, binge YouTube videos, yet somehow they end up in the same place: confused, inconsistent, and unsure what's actually wrong. You see, you're not unskilled, you're not unlucky, you are just building on a weak foundation. In this session, we're going to strip everything back to the truth: why you are not profitable yet. Not to judge, but to rebuild. Because once you understand this, every decision you make as a trader will finally make sense. The first mistake most traders make is thinking profitability comes from strategies. They believe if they just find the perfect setup, the right indicator, the right entry pattern, or YouTuber's secret sauce, profits will follow. But strategy doesn't create profitability. Behavior does. You see, two traders can trade the exact same setup on the same pair, and at the same time, one will make money and the other one loses. What's the difference? It's process, discipline, and decision making under pressure. Profitability is not a discovery, it's a reflection. It's the mirror image of how consistently you follow your own rules. So instead of asking, what's the best strategy? Ask, what behavior am I repeating every day? Because the market rewards repetition, not randomness. Here is the truth I learned the hard way. You don't become profitable by finding more setups. You become profitable by removing the ones that don't fit who you are. The formula is simple but powerful. When you multiply process, psychology, and time, that gives you profitability. Miss any of those three and the equation collapses. Now let's go deeper. You can't act like a consistent trader until you become one internally. And this is where most people get stuck. They try to copy the habits of professional traders without first shifting their identity. Think about it. If deep down you still see yourself as inconsistent, undisciplined, or unlucky, every action will eventually align with that identity. You might have the right routine for a week, but your self-image will pull you back to what feels familiar. That's why real change doesn't start with charts. It starts with character. The moment I stopped saying I am trying to become consistent and started saying I am a consistent trader, everything changed. It wasn't instant, but it was internal. Every professional trader you admire operates from identity, not motivation. Motivation fades when you lose 3 trades in a row. Identity remains. So ask yourself, what will a consistent trader do today, even if no one is watching? That single question will reveal everything. Most traders are trapped in a loop they can't see. It looks like this. Win leads to overconfidence, and overconfidence leads to overtrading, which results in loss, revenge, and eventually burnout. Then silence. You take a break, reset your charts, promise to start again, but the loop repeats. This isn't a strategy problem. It's an emotional control problem. You're not losing because your analysis is wrong. You're losing because your reactions are faster than your reasoning. You get stopped out, and your instinct is to fix it immediately. You see a missed move, and your brain screams, I knew it. This constant need to be right instead of trade right is what kills progress. Professional traders have one superpower: response control. They don't react to every fluctuation. They respond to structure, plan, and probability. The truth is, you will never remove emotion completely, but you can train yourself to delay reaction. Here is the shift. Stop judging your trades by profit. Judge them by process compliance. Did you follow your plan? Did you wait for confirmation? Did you manage risk correctly? If yes, it was a good trade, no matter the result. That's how pros think, and that's how consistency is built. Let's talk about rebuilding properly. Every consistent trader operates on a process-first philosophy. The process doesn't exist to make you money. It exists to make you consistent. The money follows that consistency naturally. Think of your process as a checklist where you've got a morning market read, have had your key zones marked. Are you trading with or against the trend? Has your entry criteria been confirmed? Have you predefined the risk? That's not complicated. It's structured. But here's what matters more. Review. Professionals don't just trade. They review everything every week. Go back through your charts and ask, where did I follow my plan? Where did I deviate? What emotion triggered it? This is how you create a feedback loop that improves automatically. Trading is not about perfection. It's about pattern recognition in the markets, and in yourself. The more aware you become of your personal patterns, the faster you grow. Remember, small improvements, repeated consistently, compound into mastery. Don't rush profitability. Build predictability first. Here's the truth no one tells you. You're not unprofitable because you lack skill. You're unprofitable because you lack structure around that skill. The market doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards consistency under uncertainty. You can have the best analysis in the world, but if your process changes after every loss, you will never build momentum. Real traders don't measure success by winning trades. They measure it by execution quality. You become profitable the moment your actions become stable, not when your balance grows, because consistent execution eventually forces consistent results. The real work is not in learning more setups. It's on learning your impulses. Once your trading day becomes predictable, where you've got a wake time, prep, execution, review, your results will start reflecting that stability. That's when the curve turns. That's when things click. Not because you got lucky, but because you got disciplined. Profitability is not an event. It's a reflection of who you've become in the process. And once you understand that, you will stop chasing results and start mastering your routine. Don't aim to be profitable. Aim to be prepared. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be present. That's the shift every professional trader makes. Profitability is not an event. It's a reflection of how you think, how you plan, and how you recover. If you've got burnt several times from trading and you want to rebuild your process from the ground up, get my free trader rebuild guide below. It covers everything from structure to psychology to execution. If this session helped you, that's great. You are one step in the right direction. Do you want to learn to trade properly? I've got a free Forex Masterclass that dives deeper into structure, analysis, and trade executions. I built it specifically for beginners and struggling traders. It's completely free and is designed to make you see the markets for what it truly is. You will find the link below. And if you want to understand market structure properly, watch this video right here.